I'm putting my messages. Oh, I got them. My bad.
Y'all, Abby decided to join me today while I'm out delivering my paparazzi jewelry. I'm surprised she came with me. She said I stay out too long. But I gotta get them delivered. Then I gotta go to the post office. I gotta go back to the house and pick up that packaging. Those packages and bring them to the post office. So my people can get their stuff.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Red light camera, I pointed ahead. I said I reported. I mean reported.
I'm trying to figure out why is that on. I thought I cut it off.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
Everybody must have went home.
They're still open.
Should have went over there and told them how sorry job they did on that polish. That's why I don't pay for gel nail.
What you talking about?
That's why I don't pay for gel nail.
Well, no, my last gel never did that. This is like my
When you
third
put
time
gel,
getting gel at the nail salon.
You got gel? Yeah. And look at that gel peeling off.
This ain't never happened.
It probably mixed it with gel and regular polish.
It could. See y'all.
She got gel nail.
Now on the side. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Well, I'll be sitting right back looking at them, telling them something wrong with your gel polish. My gel nail didn't stay gel. I am tired.
Stomach muscles are still tight from my workout.
What in the ham sandwich?
I was like, who is that blowing?
I think they blowing at somebody else. I think he want me to pull up because he trying to turn. Well, I don't know what the heck. These folks. And they horn blowing. I tell you, it's demons out here loose. Every time you turn around, somebody blowing the horn. Get off the road. I'm glad I ain't got a couple more errands and that's gonna be a wrap. Jesus Christ. What in the heck?
She about to cuss. We don't know, right?
You know, they about to make me say, what the hell? Everybody just looking, just getting on my doggone nerves. Can't park here, or can I? It should be.
I just got numb for a second because they just keep on blowing the horn.
Like something wrong with them. I mean, come on now.
I mean, like three different people.
What to say? I mean, come on.
Hurry up, she about to go pick something up. People are finally starting to honk. I'm trying not to laugh because I'm making it obvious that I'm up to something. I'm so out of breath from laughing. Funny, bro. I'm waiting for her to, I guess, notice. I don't know if I'm like, maybe, I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to get my words out. Maybe she'll walk to the back of the car by accident and find out. Or I'll just have to tell her when she start escalating too high. or I'm just have to walk her back there and show it to her. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see how this get ready to go, because this is funny. This video probably gonna be a little lengthy because she has not exploded yet. I'm waiting for her to explode.
Got about 3 more orders. FedEx hadn't dropped my other package off yet, so missed that. Turn everybody loose with vehicles.
Busy smoking that little vape.
She better pay attention to where she going.
In half a mile, turn left on Scarborough Road.
Got this car on my bumper fuel. Something wrong with these people.
Well, you gonna go in there and get me a drum set since they closing? Y'all, she don't ever want to get me a drum set, and this store is closing. See, it say guitar and drums are left. We got to go get me a drum set.
Where you see that at?
Guitar and drums.
Yeah, that sign been up there for 50 years.
No, they got it up there saying basically that's probably all they got left.
No.
Y'all, the guitar store.
I don't care.
Guitar and drums.
Ain't nobody want all that darn noise.
I know how to play the drums. Ain't
I
noise.
ain't say that.
It's music.
Still, yeah,
It's
but
music.
It's
It's music. Music.
Put them in your room.
That's where they probably gonna have to go.
Well, no, I ain't hearing all that. You gotta play them in your head. For heaven's sake. Got some folks that just. What in the heck? I didn't cut over in front of them. I took my signal light on. I cut my signal light on. I looked. It was nobody coming, and I got over. These people have lost their mind out here today. I'm getting irritated now. It ain't funny.
Face turning red. Why are they blowing them?
Because they crazy. They need to pull over so I can pray for them. Driving around here takes a lot out of you.
We in New York. All these horrors going.
A lot out of you.
It's a school bus though. New
Yeah.
Year. I mean,
Year round.
year round about New Year. Year round school back here.
Oh.
Yo, I don't know why they keep blowing at us. Oh, it's a car like mine over there.
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. Oh, that's the classical school.
70. I'm not 71st. Why I keep saying 71st?
Ross.
Free Ross.
Yeah, that's the bus I used to.
But
Actually, pray everybody's okay. That's why I say you have to take your time and pay attention, not just for you, but other drivers too.
oh, why he look at us like that?
What happened?
He just said.
Maybe thought he knew us. I don't know. somebody we know?
What the heck? I knew he was gonna do that.
I got my car in between the lines.
He got over and said,
Let me tell you some of the crazies, Some of the crazies.
how she say it?
Oh, finally finished. I'm trying to figure out why these people keep on coming look at me in my face.
I don't know why they keep on looking at you. He says the Amber Alert, trying to make sure you're not the person.
Well, I don't.
They better not call no police.
Keep on beside me looking. I'm going home. I done had enough of this today.
You say you going home.
Yes, I am. I'm
You said
tired
we
of
going
this.
home.
If they can't keep that car in they darn lane, they over here looking at me.
They too busy looking. They can't keep the car in the lane.
You pass me and then you get all up on me. I'm going to the house.
Oh, shoot!
What in the world just happened?
Oh, heck. I'm about to cuss.
What
Because
happened?
that just scared me.
Car full of smoke?
Woo! Bro, somebody's car just started smoking in the middle of the road.
Oh.
And
Look at all that smoke back
the
there.
smoke just flew in the car.
Look at all
Look
that
at all
back
that smoke. What? They car still smoking, they still driving, bro. We about to
there.
die.
That motor or something that
Jesus.
blew up.
Oh, they blew the head gasket. Oh, they blew. Look, we coughing. Oh, that's my fault. I was trying to figure out why I came in there because the window cracked open. So it flew straight in the car.
My eyes burning.
Dang. Well, they need to pull over, right? They tripping.
They need to do something. A doggone cloud. There it go.
They turned into Dollar General.
Jesus Christ, sir.
Family.
My eyes burning.
She said her eyes burning. Because they can't see all that smoke.
No, nobody couldn't see. Everybody was breaking.
I should have turned the camera.
Make no sense.
We just be having a lot going on this road.
I gotta go home. This is too much.
Uh-oh. They passing by. Uh-oh. Mom, I think they about to do something crazy.
Why is he all up on me?
Look how close he is. What the?
He waving.
He waved.
Oh Lord, there's some crazies out here.
They better not, because maybe. Hush.
Oh, sense.
Yeah, she was out this morning.
Just blowing it.
You would not take my cat last night.
Oh, sir.
Why they coming over on us?
Lord have mercy.
This is ridiculous.
Get off your phone and drive. Too busy staring at me.
They better stop. They taking a picture of your car and they sending it to the police.
Well, tell them to send it.
That's wild.
I don't have time for this.
They said we need to get the child out of here.
I don't know nothing about no
Ain't got
Amber
nobody
Alert.
child.
I'm getting ready to ride up here because the Amber Alert thing, if it's wanting to be up here.
Oh God.
You know the little Amber Alert,
You already passed it.
No, I didn't.
It's back there.
Well, I think
It's
it was
back
up here.
there.
Well, I didn't see
You
nothing
already
on it.
passed it. It's back there.
Well, I didn't see nothing on it.
Somebody else's car smoking? What is going on? Y'all need to get y'all car serviced.
Not so much of that. It's just it caught me off guard. All
Got
that
too
smoke.
much going on. And then the smoke flew right in the window.
Like I was in the middle of a house fire.
My eyes got biggest quarters too.
I definitely got to have some M&Ms for after all this.
M&Ms.
Yes.
They still gonna blow the horn at you while you eating them for some reason.
I'm going to start throwing them at them too. This is crazy. Right now, I'm just trying to get home. What I ain't finished, it just won't get done today. Try again tomorrow. This was a crazy day.
She
People
said
all
this
up
was
on
a
your
crazy
doggone
day.
bumper. People pulling up beside you, looking at you.
Yeah.
I'm getting irritated.
You tell me where you want to go. I don't know. I gotta think.
He giving me the thumbs up. What's wrong with these people?
Why they looking at us?
Thumbs up what?
Look, he just gave us a thumbs up.
You love Jesus? What is it?
Oh God.
I know I should have waited. I shouldn't have come out here today.
She said we shouldn't have came out here today. We ain't got nobody.
It's just crazy.
We all said when we go pull over and give the child up.
I ain't got no Amber Alert, so I don't know what.
Lord, we getting closer and closer to the house.
You looking at me right? What is wrong with these people?
They keep on.
They drive up beside you and they look at you. Do I got something on my face?
She said that she got something on her face.
My hair is a little out of place.
She said her hair was a little out of place.
My God. Everybody pulling up, looking. Pulling up, looking. Now I got this one sitting on the side of me, looking like I can't see them. Lord help me. I gotta get home. This right here is just too much. Okay, here we go, pulling up beside me.
But they pulling up looking again.
I ain't down for this.
Shut up.
I ain't down for this.
She said she ain't down for this. No, I'm not.
If they stare at me any harder, my face gonna catch on fire. What in the ham sandwich is wrong with these people?
Well, she got her phone up. She about to start recording.
I don't know what to say. Something wrong with these people.
He said it's the Amber Alert.
Well, I'm about ready to drive to the police station, tell them I'm being harassed.
Oh, shoot.
Tired of looking at me. Time I look, somebody peeping in.
Shut up.
I need to stop stop by the grocery store.
Oh, shoot. Why are we stopping at the grocery store?
Because I need to get something to cook at this rate.
No. We good. We good.
Oh, you buying tonight?
We good. Just keep driving.
You buying tonight?
Don't be stopping nowhere. Just
You
keep
buying tonight?
buying what?
You said I don't need to stop, so okay, I'll order.
We don't need to stop.
I'll order it and then you can pay.
Why you got them shades on?
Because I'm sick of people looking me in my face.
Guess I need to put mine on too. A dent. I don't know what you're talking about. We don't need to walk around and check the car, Leon.
Oh my God, she like ran into me. Lord, Father, if you just get me home, Jesus, I promise you, I'll stay in there.
We good. We good.
This don't make no sense. These people have really got on my nerves today.
No. Nah, we good. Oh no, we good. We good. No, we are back home for, I guess, now.
I ain't going back out. These fools is crazy. I'm going in and go to sleep and relax.
You don't have to go to the trunk. I'll get your stuff out.
Huh?
You don't have to go to the trunk. I'll get your stuff out.
Okay. I need to get. No, you don't get everything out I need.
No, I'll get it out. Nope, Ma, I'll get it out. Don't worry about it. I'll get it out.
No, because you be
Ma, no! I'll get it out.
all that doggone hollering.
Get my stuff first. Go back there.
I'm sleepy. Ebony, I'm gonna help you because I got.
Ma, you don't gotta help me. I got it.
I said I was gonna help.
I got it. Oh shoot, I'm about to fall. I'm trying to. I got it, Ma. Yeah, I'm about to go back here and help her. Ma, it's fine. It's fine. I got it. Oh, hell. I tried to tell you I would get it out the trunk. Why did you go back there?
That's why.
Oh, shoot. I told you I would go back there and get it.
Get that mess off my car.
You said get the mess off your car. I told you I was going to go back there and get the stuff out the trunk. You just had to go run it back.